You're welcome back, my superstars. And if you're just joining us, you are welcome. Today we'll be talking about how to make money online in Nigeria. And specifically, we'll be talking about how to earn in dollars in Nigeria. If you've been thinking of how to make money online in Nigeria and earn dollars online in Nigeria as a side hustle, as passive income, or a daily source of income, whether you're a student, a stay-at-home mom, or someone who's looking to transition from a 9 to 5, or someone who doesn't have a job, then this video is for you. Okay, it's very possible to earn in dollars in Nigeria, and I'll be showing you how. There are so many ways to earn money in dollars in Nigeria, and over a series of teachings, I'll be showing you step by step how to go about it. So, you are welcome. I am Idawesi Young, and I talk about businesses you can do online and offline to make money. So if that's what you love, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Alright, let's dive in. With the way everyone is going digital, this has also increased the demand by people to make money online and earn in foreign currency and earn in dollars. Okay, and also with the way things are going digital, so many companies are going remote and so many people are working remotely, and also offers an opportunity for people to work online and earn in different currencies and even in dollars. All right, so there are so many ways to earn money online, and so many of those ways offer opportunities to earn money in trickles. You earn like $0.2, 0 point something dollars, okay, $1, $2, in trickles. But you know what? If you must make good money online, then you need to have a skill. Yes, you need to have a skill. We have so many high income skills that will give you money, good money in dollars, like $20, $100, $200, depending on the skill you offer. You have to offer your skill in exchange for money. Okay, so we have so many high income skills that can enable you make good money in dollars from home, as a student, as a stay-at-home mom. Okay, one of such skills include video editing, we have graphic design, we have programming, we have copywriting, lots and lots of skills. So if you have any of these skills, you can exchange it as a service, as a freelancer. Okay, so who is a freelancer? A freelancer is someone who offers his or her skill, the skills I had mentioned, in exchange for money on platforms. We have so many freelancing platforms where you can exchange your skill in exchange for money and be paid in dollars or any currency of your choice. Okay, so now we're talking about those freelancing platforms. We have freelancing platforms like Guru.com. If you go to your browser and type Guru.com, it's a freelancing platform where they hire freelancers, and there are also freelancers on this platform. Okay, people offer different freelancing skills like programming and development, writing and translation, design and art, administrative secretarial, business and finance, education and training, legal. So many skills are offered on this platform. So if you want to become a freelancer, all you have to do is click the three dots by your left, as you can see up there. Then you see find a job. You click on the find a job. You want to offer your service, so it's to find a job. When you click on it, you can see the post a job icon up there. That's where you click on and then set up your profile. The next freelancing platform is Fiverr.com. On your browser, type Fiverr.com. You'll be redirected. Here you can offer your service as programming and tech, graphic and design, digital marketing. Lots of skills you can offer in exchange for money on this platform. As you scroll down, you'll see a lot of things. Okay, my superstars, see lots of things you can do. And as you scroll down, you can be a Fiverr logo maker. Okay, lots of skills you can offer in exchange for money on this platform. As you scroll down, you'll see for freelancers, when you click on it, you see become a Fiverr freelancer. When you click on it, another page will come up that shows you work your way, you bring the skill, will make earning easy. Become a seller. Okay, once you click on that, you become a seller automatically. You can sell your skill on this platform. A gig is bought every 4 seconds. Price range from $5 to $10,000. So you can see that you earn a lot on this platform. All you have to do is create a gig. As you set up your profile, deliver great work, then you get paid. The next platform is called Upwork. On your browser, type upwork.com. When you search, you'll be redirected to the platform Upwork. On Upwork, there's a lot. As a freelancer, when you click on sign up, you'll see find talent, find work. And as a freelancer, you're looking for work, so you click on find work. Then you see ways to earn. Okay, win work with ads. As you scroll down, you see sign up. That's when you sign up. And then you see I'm a client hiring for a project. I'm a freelancer looking for work. Since you're a freelancer, you click on I'm a freelancer looking for work. Then you create an account. These are freelancing platforms in which you can exchange your service. We have so many people who come there to look for freelancers depending on the job they have, and then pay them to do their job, and then that is it. You earn in dollars. Set up your profile. All right. Write very comprehensively your skill in a very detailed way. All right. That will attract clients to come and give you jobs. All right. You can include your former work history, like if you had worked offline or online, write them in your resume and put it very neatly on your profile page on those platforms. And when you are given a job, you have to execute the job effectively, as this will enable you build a portfolio that will give you other clients. You have to do the job effectively and deliver as at when due, as this will increase your chances of getting other jobs from the platforms. The great thing about being a freelancer is that you are the boss. You work at your own time, and it is very, very flexible. You work at your own time, at your convenience, you fix your rate, and you can work with as many people as possible. You can have about 10, 15 clients in a day. That's depending on how well you can manage these clients and deliver their work on time. All right, so being a freelancer offers you a lot of opportunities and gives you opportunities to make money online in Nigeria on various freelancing platforms. Okay, so the great thing about being a freelancer is that you are the boss. It's very, very flexible, and you can work at any time. As a student, you can work at the time that works best for you. As a stay-at-home mom, you can work when you are done with your chores or when you are free. As someone who's looking to transition careers, as in you still have a 9 to 5 job, but you are trying to build up momentum before you leave completely, you can work at your own time. So it is very, very flexible, and you are the boss. You fix your time and you fix your rates. So that's the great thing about being a freelancer. Okay, in the meantime, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button, my superstars, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll have notifications whenever there's a new video. Like I said, I'm on a series on different ways you can earn money in dollars in Nigeria. So in our next video, I'll tell you another way you can earn money in dollars in Nigeria. So stay tuned. Okay, my superstars. All right, till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.